Okay, Jane, so this is for you.
Jane.
You did probably figured out by now that this doesn't work 100% of the time, and it's more effective with women than it is for men. Roland, you ready?
Who's James?
Jane, my
Jane.
physical therapist. Alright, so you know I colored you a special jellyfish picture. Here's some sounds to go with it, okay? Roland. Squish, 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 squish. Just be sure your client's not laughing before you start this. As you know, you might end up with a bigger mess than you bargained for. So anyway, I'm going to miss you for therapy. Thank you for everything. As much as we both enjoy New Orleans, I'm